Want to know how to log out of Kimi AI from your phone? So if you had previously signed in and if you want to switch account or just simply sign up or sign out from Kimi AI, this video is for you. So I'm going to show you how you can easily do it on your phone, maybe your Android or iPhone. The process is the same, so you can just simply watch this video. So let's go right into it. So first things first, what you can do is you can just simply make sure you are logged in and your Kimi AI is opened up. So once you're logged in, your interface should look something like this right here. Once you open up your hamburger icon, so what you can do is on the top you should be seeing your profile with your avatar itself. Just simply select that, and here you should be seeing various options. Now you're going to simply scroll all the way down, and here right below check for updates you should be seeing logout right here. Simply select that. So now once you have selected logout, here you can just simply select logout again for confirmation, and you should automatically be logged out of Kimi AI, and that's it. Super simple and easy. Now you should be back to login page as default, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.